Hi, I'm Sahil Dharia, founder and CEO of Soothe Healthcare. We are manufacturers of consumer healthcare products, specifically sanitary napkins. Buddy is our brand. We manufacture, market, and distribute feminine hygiene products based in India. We manufacture at Greater Noida and are available throughout India. Our business environment, when sanitary napkins is currently a 4,000 crore market, expected to grow 5 times to 21,000 crores in the next 7 to 10 years. But actually, if you look at a similar market, which is China, which has a similar population and demographic, China today is a 1 lakh crore sanitary napkin market, whereas India is a small 4,000 crore market. Why is that? China's per capita GDP is close to $100,000, ours is closer to $2,000. The Chinese market took off in the late 80s as population increased, which is called the demographic dividend, along with discretionary spending on healthcare and education. India is at that inflection point right now where we have a large consumer market available in terms of number of people, by case number of women, which are young. Remember, India has 500 million people below the age of 25. That forms a large consumer market, now willing to spend money on education and healthcare. That forms the basis of my market for me. So we are actually in a blue ocean market, which is going from 4 to 1 lakh crore, 4,000 crore to 1 lakh crore. And remember, there are only 2 established players in this market. So we saw a massive opportunity in this business where, when I started my company, sanitary napkins were used by only 12% women in India. In the last few years, we've seen this number jump to 18%. And we've seen a parallel with something similar happen to China, where their sanitary napkin penetration went from 8% to 42% in just 12 years. I think India is at that inflection point now where more and more girls want to attend school, more and more parents want to educate their daughters. The women enrollment ratio has jumped from 35% to 74%. And in a nutshell, you require this product. We're a consumer staple. Come rain, shine, flood, war, you need a sanitary napkin. So India is at that inflection point where we have a large population below the age of 24. Specifically, my business, we have 165 million girls between the age of 10 and 24 that are my core target group. We have that target group. Every father and mother wants their daughter to be educated. Once you want to be educated, you need this product. So we're a consumer staple. Come rain, shine, flood, or war, you need my product. And that's the basis of our business model. And given we had a long-term vision about this market, in the Indian consumer market, from day one we invested heavily in CAPEX. That CAPEX is best in class, which allows me today to manufacture good quality, differentiated product at a very affordable cost, giving me low unit economics. We're in a market which is expanding rapidly. This market is growing 5 times. It's not a red ocean, it's a blue ocean. Therefore, we are a blue ocean company which deploys a blue ocean strategy. We segment our products well, and simply put, we are putting better product in a high growth market. We are able to provide products faster than people are coming into this market. The barriers to entry, in other words, to this business are CAPEX and costs and distribution. So from day one, we understood this and we invested heavily in capacity. So in other words, if you have 50 crores today to start this business, you'll not be able to enter the market for another 2 years. That's my barrier. That's my barrier to entry that exists in this business. Further on, we've created channels, distribution, and the product is getting repeat sales. So that gives a lot of comfort to investors.